Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Roblox to your Discord. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is super cool because people will be able to see your Roblox account on your Discord profile. So go to the bottom left of Discord and go and click on User Settings. Then go over to the left and go and click on Connections. Then it says here Add Accounts to your profile. You need to go and click on the View More button and you need to go and locate Roblox. As you can see, there it is. Go and click on it and a new tab will go and open up, or your browser will open up. And you can then go and select an account to continue to Discord. I'll use this one here and click and continue. Now what you can do is go and see what's basically going to be happening here. That's all fine with me. I want to go and select this account here. Then what you can do is keep scrolling down. You can see all. If you're sure, press continue and then just go for it again. And you can then click on confirm and give access. We've now connected our Roblox account to our Discord account. Now when we check out our Discord profile, we can go and see our Roblox account. So that's basically how you can connect Roblox to your Discord. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.